In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix anchors effectively on your website. Whether you're building a site from scratch or enhancing an existing one, anchors in Wix can significantly improve navigation by allowing users to jump to specific sections of your page smoothly. This not only enhances the user experience, but also helps in structuring your content more efficiently. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your Wix editor. Once you're in the editor for your site, look to the left side of the screen. There you'll see a plus button, commonly known as the add button. Go ahead and click on that. This button is your gateway to adding a variety of elements to your page. Now from the menu that pops up, select menu and anchor. You'll find a section labeled in-page navigation. Under this section, there's an option called anchor. Click on anchor and drag it to the location on your page where you'd like it to be. Placing the anchor precisely where you want your visitors to navigate is crucial. So take a moment to decide the best spot. A quick tip: make sure the anchor placement aligns with a specific section or information that you might want to highlight or make easily accessible. Moreover, you can create an anchor by simply renaming a section settings. When you rename it, Wix automatically assigns it an anchor link. This can be particularly useful if you want to create anchors quickly without manually adding them. Next, let's talk about linking to an anchor, which is equally important. Start by selecting the element that you wish to use as the link: a piece of text, a button, or any other clickable object on your page. Once selected, look for the link icon, which resembles a small chain. Click this icon to open the link options. In the window that appears, you'll see an option on the left to choose anchor. When you select this, a drop-down menu will display all the anchors you've created. Simply choose the anchor you want to link to and then click done. And that's it! You've successfully added an anchor and linked to it. This simple yet powerful tool can significantly enhance the usability of your site, allowing visitors to navigate your content with ease. Remember, the goal here is to create a seamless experience for your users, so feel free to experiment with anchor placements to find what works best for your layout and content flow. By incorporating anchors, you're not just enhancing navigation, you're also contributing to a user-friendly interface that can keep your visitors engaged and encourage them to explore more. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful in your journey to creating a more dynamic and interactive website.